So here we have this VEVOR box of 1/2 inch gym floor mats. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. And here's a better look at one of these tiles. You can see they're a foam base with a really thin rubber top layer. Each tile comes with 2 of these edge pieces. With the edge piece included, these are 25-inch squares, or without the edge piece, they're about 24-inch squares. All right, there we go. I got them all put down. They look really nice. There's quite a few extra end pieces. They went together pretty easily, just kind of pop them together. And in the center, there's these 2 pieces that are shaped differently from the rest, and that makes it so you can't misalign these. They're always going to be perfectly lined up. This pattern with all these white dots is nice because it doesn't show dirt as easily. It also kind of helps hide where each square is joined together, but you can still see it. It's comfortable to walk on, pretty comfortable to jump on. Of course, it's a rubber top, so it's really nice and grippy. As far as cleaning, it is a bit difficult to sweep, but a vacuum works just fine. There's a problem with these foam back mats though, and that's if you leave anything heavy on them, they are going to leave an indent, and depending on how heavy the weight is, the indent might take a while to go away, or it might not go away at all. That's not specific to these though, it's just any mat that has that foam backing. Overall though, I do like these squares, and as long as you're not planning on changing up how you set up your gym, then the indenting problem isn't too big of a deal. And yeah, overall I think these are nice home gym floor mats.